Guys, welcome to the front track big brake kit. This kit serves up an echelon of performance. It's closer to our top competition kit, but at a bit lower price. We used a cast monoblock and then machined caliper, 6-piston up front, progressive, vented piston design. Very sick. They get our 2-stage finish, so you got hard ano points at all the contact areas where things work or are mounted, as well as the bleeders, so we can expect a longer service life. Kits use this massive R35 fit pad, so available through us, available anywhere you need to get R35 parts if you found yourself in a pinch. Rotors in each kit feature a 380 millimeter diameter up front. They're 34 millimeters thick and have 48 directional vanes. All come with our sprinkle slot finish, so nice ventilation on the surface if you're getting pads really hot and they're trying to gas a bit, and they continue to kind of clean and keep that surface prepped well. So works well in the dry, works well in the wet. Great kit, you're gonna love it. The calipers are radially mounted to their uprights and very rigid kit. Response on this kit's really good. Balance all the way across the vehicle is best with a 4-wheel kit, but front kit plus a sport kit on the rear, like our Ford Street, is still pretty good, not gonna lie. Available in 3 awesome finishes. You got our black, the red, or the yellow. I'm loving this yellow. I think I just gotta commit already. And not really much you can say negative about the performance to value ratio on this kit. If you got questions about this, what's the right one for you, just reach out to our team, 770-838-7777, or shoot us an email, info@z1motorsports.com. We'll get you set up however you need.